Welcome to LitExtension, the world-leading shopping cart migration expert. In this video, we are going to show you how to migrate from Shopware to WooCommerce automatically, accurately, and securely with LitExtension. First, log into your LitExtension account and click Create New Migration. What you need to do is set up your source store and target store. Right here, select Shopware as source cart type. Next, download LitExtension connector, following the instruction. Then you will receive a zip file. Extract it and you will see a file called LE connector. After that, upload the file connector to source store root folder using FileZilla app. There you need to fill in some information like host, username, password to get started. Here's our tutorial video to help you set up LitExtension connector in a few minutes. To finish, you need to provide the source store URL into the blank bar. Once you've done, a notification "Connection was successfully installed" will appear on the screen. Please repeat the same process to set up the target store. Choose WooCommerce as target cart type. Upload connector to target store root folder and provide your store URL. Now, click Next and proceed to the next step of the migration process. At this step, you need to select the entities you want to migrate to WooCommerce. You can choose to migrate only one or some entities, or click Select All to migrate all of them. LitExtension also provides powerful additional options here to extend your migration possibilities. You can refer to the instruction of each additional option when hovering over its name or watch the video tutorial next to it to decide the additional option you need. Next, you can easily map your language and order status in this section so that they will be displayed correspondingly on your target store. After you're finished, you can click Start Free Demo Migration, or you can click on Skip Demo Migration button to perform full migration immediately. When the data is being transferred, it's completely safe to close browser window or shut down your PC. You will receive an email from LitExtension system when the process is complete. Once the migration is done, click on the Check Results button to see if everything has been transferred correctly. In case of any matters, please contact LitExtension technical support team to get them resolved as soon as possible. That's how easy it is to perform successful Shopware to WooCommerce migration with LitExtension. With LitExtension, you will experience the most pleasant shopping cart migration process with our state-of-the-art migration system. Without any technical skill required, and a dedicated support team right at your fingertips. We ensure 100% uptime for your store during the replatforming process, which means no sales lost. We provide 3 months of free and unlimited recent migrations, free migrations, and smart update to ensure your new store goes live with no data left behind. Last but not least, to prove confidence in our services and their value to you, LitExtension offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. So why wait any further? Run free demo migration now.